Are you tired of explaining your business to ChatGPT, your writing style, your brand, or even your preferences? Well, in the next couple minutes, I'll show you how to create a knowledge base so ChatGPT remembers and you don't have to keep on repeating yourself and you get to save time. I have two solutions for this, so make sure you stay to the end. What most people do wrong is they will open a new chat like you see here and they'll just start typing, "Hey, my name is Austin and I own a gym or I own a marketing company and I need this." But you can pre-tell ChatGPT all of this information so you can just get straight to what you're looking for. So let's not waste any more time and get straight into it. So the first thing you do is you'll go into ChatGPT and you're going to click your icon and then do customize ChatGPT. When you get to this screen, basically it's going to ask you, how do you want to be addressed by ChatGPT? What do you do? What are some of the traits you want it to take on? And then also, what else should it know about you? This is very powerful because instead of having to input it every time, it's right here. So for the time's sake, I already have things copied and pasted it, and I'll actually attach a Notion document also so you can copy and paste it too and adjust it for what you need. So today I'm just going to be called Abdul, but if you want to be called King or Queen, go ahead. And then next is, what do you do? I make this a little bit in depth, but I just put, I run Just Start Automating, a YouTube channel for AI automation and consultancy, and then so on and so forth. And then I give it traits. For the traits that I like to do is I have a long trait list. So just imagine I having to copy and paste this. I might lose this document or something like that. It's actually right here for me, and ChatGPT will remember this. So I'm just going to put this in. And the last part is, what else do I want it to know about me? And basically, I'll copy and paste this here. And this is a great example. So, like, you'll tell them your audience, how you want the information to be presented. If you're writing scripts and everything like that, it will never forget to give you your CTA or anything like that. So, you're just going to copy and paste that in as well. And you don't have to worry about the advanced. But then, anytime you create a new chat, that information will be there for you. So we're going to do a quick prompt and I'm just going to show you. So we're just going to say, create me a script for a new YouTube video. And ChatGPT already knows that I create YouTube videos and everything like that. So it'll already do that. And a couple more seconds and we're going to have something. And there it goes. So it already knows my tone and everything like that. And then it crafts me my hook, my problem, my solution, and then the demo and all the instructions to go with it. Pretty amazing, right? And then this is the second solution. So if you still need a little bit of help, like you need to give ChatGPT a little bit more context, what you can do is use this powerful thing called projects. So basically, you would open the sidebar, you go to new project, and then I don't know, you can do YouTube, create, and then you can add instructions and files here. So the next thing you would do is you would add files. So this will give it any type of images you think you need. So brand, anything like that, textiles. And then if you want to also add more custom instructions, you can also put it here and ChatGPT would remember. So you don't have to keep on repeating yourself during these projects that you may have for yourself. So those are the two solutions I have for not having to repeat yourself or re-explain yourself to ChatGPT. This will save you tons of time. If you need help setting any of this up, I have a 15-minute free consultation. The link is in the bio. Let's just start automating.